There's a very short video demonstration for Kathy Porter and the Daimler project team showing ProgrammExpress, the web-based portfolio program project reporting solution. Very quickly we can configure logos and corporate branding and color palettes to make it look like your own, hence how we show this on the login page. ProgrammExpress is web-based, so it would be daimler.programmexpress.co.uk. I'm going to log on very briefly as the administrator, and you can be an administrator, a write access user, or a read-only user. The administrator can see all the projects and has full update access to everything, including all the admin screens. So here we've just got a demo structure, and this is highly configurable. And if I open up the portfolio, we can see the programs, and then if we open up the programs, we can see the projects that sit below them. The whole idea being that each project manager will make their very simple updates, and then we can run aggregated reports. And if I just run one as an example, assuming everybody's made their updates, a reg status summary. This is like the Excel summary, but there is no need for any manual exercise. This is automated, and this is real time, showing the projects and showing whatever columns that we've configured that we want to show. Commentary, focus for next period, decisions and escalations, reg status, dashboard, etc., etc. Within ProgrammExpress, there are many modules. You'll see the icons along the top, better described through the Updates tab as commentary, plan, resources, cost, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. These don't always have to be applied, but these are all available. If I am a user, I will just log on as myself, Nick Wilson, MD of ProgrammExpress. And I'm an example user who is expected to update just 3 projects. So write access to 3 projects and expected to update commentary, plan, costs, and logs, which are issues, actions, decisions, whatever you decide to configure. So if I quickly go into select one of those projects, go into the commentary, I can make an update in terms of overall status, achieve last period, focus for next period. When I've made my narrative updates, I can go and update my plan. Very standard plan in there. It can be detailed or it can be high level. I can make changes to the plan. I can change my budget information, planned and forecast, and I can update my logs. In this case, issues, decisions, actions, lessons learned, whatever you want to configure. Very simple experience for the project manager or the user. When they've made their updates, they can run reports, which they can set up themselves. So they may run a one-page summary PPT, PowerPoint style report. This nice little window into PowerPoint, and here we'll see the projects, the milestones, although there aren't any for this, it's a bad example, and then the commentary threads that have been filled in. Let me see if Project 4C, it's a better example of milestones. And yes, it does. We can see here completed milestones, all green, that means they're on track, and the high-level milestones sitting there as a timeline view. So the project managers made their updates, back in the administrator, highly configurable, and we will help configure it. Doesn't take long to do. We've had a 1-month implementation, and then again we'll see everybody's made their updates. Go into our shared reports. Let's show example Gantt chart. So because we're running at the portfolio level, this will show the plan for every single project sitting within the portfolio. You can run this report at any level, but you'll see here you've got an example of all different projects and the timeline or the taskbars using the red, amber, green methodology. Red meaning it's missed a deadline, amber meaning it's forecasting to be later than the original plan. Very high level across a lot of projects is the way it works best. One more example would be a resource usage report, which is like an Excel, but it's aligned to the plan that's within ProgrammExpress, and you can see the people, the number of days allocated within a month. You can change that to a week, across projects, plenty of other reports to show resource usage allocation, and we can see here where there is an over-allocation of resources. So again, simple input, powerful output. That's just a very quick flavour of what could be a 1.5 hour demonstration. Again, showing you corporate colour palettes and logos. Very simple to set up within the settings and configure, but just wanted to give you a flavour of ProgrammExpress using your own branding. So thank you very much for listening, and potentially may lead to a webinar or a face-to-face demonstration. Thanks again.